Hello, dear friends, and welcome to semester second, BA part first. I am Dr. Bandare S.J., English teacher, Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aundh, as well as in charge principal of the college also. In the second semester, we are going to learn Satish Alikar's The Dread Departure. This is a drama, well-known drama, written by Satish Alekar, who was born on 30th January 1949. Actually, he is a Marathi playwright, an actor, and theatre director. He is also a founder member of the Theatre Academy of Pune. Let us see his brief introduction as a playwright, as an author. His most known plays are Mahapur, published in 1975, Atireki, published in 1990, Pidijat, published in 2003, Mickey and Mem Saib, published in 1973, and Begum Barve, 1979. All of which he also directed for the Academy, Theatre Academy actually, of which he was the founder member. Today, along with Mahesh L. Kunchwar and Vijay Tendulkar, he is one of the most influential and progressive playwrights, not just in modern Marathi theatre, but also larger modern Indian theatre. He has also remained the head of Center for Performing Arts, University of Pune, very close to us, Pune University, Savitribai, actually it is renamed now, Savitribai Phule University, Pune. So he was the head, Department of Center for Performing Arts from 1996 to 2009. And actually this department he founded after foregoing the directorship of NSD and previously remained an adjunct professor at various universities in US, United States, at the Duke University, Durham in 1994, Performance Studies Tisch School of Art, New York University, as a Fulbright Scholar in 2003, and Department Theatre and Film Studies, University of Georgia, Athens, 2005. He was awarded the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in playwriting, actually in Marathi, in 1994 by Sangeet Natak Academy. India's National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama, He received the award Padma Shri, very prestigious award of India, conferred by the President of India in January 2012. I think Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the president at that time. Since 2013, Sati Shalekar is nominated by Savitribai Phule Pune University as Distinguished Professor on the campus. Recently, he is also known for his screen acting both in Marathi and Hindi feature films. He is seen in the character roles of award-winning film like Ventilator, published in 2016. You might have seen the Marathi movie Ventilator. The whole movie is based on Sati Chalekar's drama Ventilator. So this is his brief information. Alekar was born in Delhi, India, but grew up in Pune, Maharashtra, a center of Marathi culture in Maharashtra. He studied in Marathi medium school, New English School, Raman Bagh, which was established in 1880 by Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Further, he went to Ferguson College and completed his BSc. He is a bachelor with science. He received his master's degree in biochemistry from University of Pune in 1972. Master's degree. He was completed his MA with biochemistry in 1972. So this is the time before my own birth. So a well-educated personality, highly qualified intellectual. Alekar gained his first stage experience as an actor in a college play. Impressed by his performance, director Bhalba Kelkar, who had set up the Progressive Dramatic Association, invited him to join it. Bhalba Kelkar was a prominent personality in the field of drama. And Sati Shalekar was associated with Bhalba Kelkar, and that's why after seeing his stage performance, Bhalba Kelkar invited him to join his association. Alekar wrote and directed his first one-act play, Zulta Pool, in 1969. He became a part of a young circle that Jabbar Patel had started within the Progressive Dramatic Association. There was an association in Pune, and the title of that association was Progressive Dramatic Association. A well-known film director, Hindi film director especially, Mr. Jabbar Patel was closely associated with this Progressive Dramatic Association. So this group split with the parent body in 1973 and set up Theatre Academy in Pune. Sati Shalekar, Jabbar Patel, Bhalba Kelkar, all these eminent personalities were there uh, in this academy or association, who later founded Theatre Academy in Pune. The split was over Vijay Tendulkar's play Ghashiram Kotwal. The senior members decided against its premieres in 1972, and Patel's group decided to produce it under the auspices of its own theatre academy. Alekar assisted Patel in the direction of Ghashiram Kotwal, and the group has since mounted over 35 plays by him and managed to establish its foothold in experimental Marathi theatre. So you can easily understand what kind of contribution made by Satish Alekar in the field of Marathi drama especially. Alekar conceived of and implemented playwrights development scheme and a regional theatre group development. He was associated with regional group development. The Ford Foundation for Theatre Academy Pune supported these programs during 1985 to 1994. So this span was really a bright span for Satish Alekar. Alekar has collaborated in several international play translation projects. There were many people who used to translate Western plays into Marathi. The Tisch School of Arts at New York University invited him in 2003 to teach a course on Indian theatre. So he was a great resource person for New York University and was invited to teach the students of New York University about Indian theatre. The Department of Theatre and Film Studies, University of Georgia, invited him in 2005 to direct an English production of his play Begum Barve. The Holy Cow Performing Art Group in Edinburgh, Scotland performed an English version of Alekar's Mickey and Memsahib on 27th and 28th August 2009 at Riddle's Court in Edinburgh Fringe Festival. So you can easily understand what kind of reputation the drama of Alekar received at international level. During July 1996, January 2009, Alekar worked as a professor and the head of the Center for Performing Arts, Lalit Kala Kendra, in Pune University. The Kendra was established there, and he was the founder professor of from 1996 to January 2009. Approximately 13 years he worked there in University of Pune. Previously, he was a research officer in biochemistry at the government-run BJ Medical College, Pune, a reputed medical college. You might have known about the college. And in this college, he was what we can say, he was an eminent research officer. He was working as the honorary director for the program supported by Ratan Tata Trust at the University of Pune during 2009 to 2011. In September 2013, University of Pune honored Satish Alekar by nominating him as distinguished professor on the campus. University of Pune is the first state university in India to nominate distinguished professors on the campus. And Satish Alekar was or is the person who was awarded this distinguished award by Pune University. So this is the brief career of Satish Alekar. We will see in my next video about his plays and other details of his contribution in Marathi as well as English drama, English Indian drama, that will be better to say. So thank you very much.